You're my best friend, my perfect partner, and my inspiration to be the best version of myself I can be.
You are kind and caring, open and honest, funny, strong, and my favourite person to look at. In short, you're the fucking best.
I want to spend the rest of my life with you because I can't imagine a future without you. Every dream and goal I have, you're right by my side. When I'm apart from you, I can't help but count down the days or hours until I'm back in your arms.
I love you because you have always treated me with respect, love and compassion. You have loved me despite my shortcomings, my flaws, and all the crazy things going on in my life.
You're funny, smart and thoughtful. Even your work is centred around making other people's lives better. And I couldn't be prouder of you and everything that you've achieved.
I would like to take a minute to acknowledge where we are right now. To recognize the natural beauty of our surroundings, the trees, the mountains, this perfect lake. A beautiful place to get married, acknowledging this is on the unceded and traditional territory of the Squamish and Leetwat Coast Salish people. Are we ready to do this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hayley, Alex, here we are at your wedding.
Hayley, I love you.
Alex, I love you. You are my best friend.
I promise to love you in good time.
And in bad.
I promise to cherish you and respect you
For the rest of my life.
for the rest of my life.
I want to spend my life with you because I know that we will continue to support and respect each other, growing as individuals and as partners together. I can't wait to make more amazing memories together and enjoy married life as a family without boys. I know that our future together will be one with many smiles, lots of laughter and full of love.
I asked you to marry me because I know nothing else could make me as happy as waking up next to you for the rest of my life. I'm so proud of the person you are and wanted to express this to you and the rest of the world how much you mean to me, and I thought this was the best way to do it.
And I want to put you both on the spot for a minute, and I want you to tell each other one thing that you want to remember about this moment 30 years from now.
And just how beautiful you look.
Just looking you.
Bring down all the lights, let me hold you close. I'm full of loose ends, will you be my rope? Waited my whole life, and now I know.
You are my favourite person to spend time with.
So good.
My partner in all things. My biggest supporter. And now finally, my husband.
As you, Hayley, and you, Alex, have consented to legal wedlock and have declared your solemn intention before these witnesses and in my presence, now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
I will always be true to you, respect you as a strong, independent and passionate person you are, and I'll love you every day.